What's up, guys? So today we're going to be talking about how to find profitable products. Whether you're buying a product, a single product, or if you're buying a pallet and you're flipping the pallet, you want to make sure that the item is going to be profitable. Now, there is no 100% guarantee way to find out, but there are some things that we can do in order for us to see if this is going to be profitable or not. All right, so I'm on this website called Wholesale Ninjas, and this one, if we click right here where it says manifested, so basically a manifest is a list of all the items that you're going to be getting on your pallet or in your box, right? It doesn't have to come on a pallet, it can come in a box. So let's just click this one for an example. So you have this one right here. The total price is $561.62. Your unit, your cost per unit is $3.62. So we're going to get the free shipping because it's over $500. If you scroll down, it has a manifest. And basically, again, a manifest has the UPC, the description, the brand, the unit price, the quantity, the image, which the image really doesn't matter, but we can click right here to download the manifest. So if you know exactly what you're getting, you can go put this in on eBay and you can see what you can get for this item. Remember, we paid $3.62 per item, so we want to make sure that we can profit. Now, this works out better if you're ordering online rather than being in the store, or at a warehouse. You can be at a warehouse and you can still figure it out. But it's just gonna take a little bit more time of you sitting there on eBay scanning the items. But if you are at home ordering items, you guys can do the research before you purchase anything. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna copy the name of this. Then we're gonna head over to eBay. We're gonna press paste, and then we're gonna press search. Now you wanna make sure that you go to your sold items so that we can see when's the last time the item has sold. So we go sold items, and we can see the last time this one sold was August 7th, 2024 for $6.99. Now, okay, so if I'm searching on eBay and I see that this item was sold August 7th, 2024 for $6.99. Now, we did pay $3.62 for the item, so there is some profit in there. The thing that scares me a little bit is not actually a little bit. I probably would stay away from selling this on eBay if I were to get it, just because it sold in August and we're in February. The last time it sold was in August, so it's not an item that sells frequently on here. Like I said, the profit margin is there, even if it's only a few dollars. If you have multiple items, so if you have 100 items and you're making $4 or $5 per item, there's profit in there. It's just the fact that this item does not sell frequently. That's what scares me. All right, so this is something you guys can do, again, before you purchase anything. So we can scroll down here and we can go look at another one. So we can copy this one and go on eBay. Now, it's not to say that the item will not sell. It's just not an item that sells frequently on eBay. So we press paste. And again, this one right here, this one just sold January 1st, 2025 for $16.99. The profit margin is there, right? Because we paid $3.62 for this item and someone sold it for $16.99. So there's a great profit margin there. Like I said, you can take a chance with this. You know that there is a profit margin there. It's just the fact that it doesn't sell frequently. For me, I would want to see something that's selling pretty much once a week. And then I would go with that. Okay, so here goes another palette. It's also manifested, meaning that we have a list of all the things that we will be getting. So I went and checked this one right here. This is a bed skirt. I put it in on eBay. Make sure that your settings is changed to the sold items. And we can see that in this one, on this palette, on this palette, the items were $3.71 per unit. You can see that they're selling on eBay anywhere from $14, $17, $15 to $16, $16.99. And you can see that this is selling more frequently than the last item we just checked out. This one's selling February 22nd, or it sold February 22nd. This one sold February 19th, February 8th. So you just kind of want to go through all these items. You do the same thing. So you can see that that item is selling frequently and it has a profit margin, and then you just go through that before you purchase anything. So if you go through this and you feel like this is not something you would want to sell, you just go through the next item. This website right here is called wholesaleninjas.com, and then you guys can go and click where it says manifested, and then you guys can see all of these items. If it's not manifested, you can go right here and just click palettes, and they have other deals on here. The only thing about if it's not manifested, you're kind of taking a guess because you don't know exactly what's in this item or in this palette. But you can know that you're only paying 78 cents per unit. So you're only paying 78 cents per unit. You guys, I can tell you right now, these items go for more than 78 cents in the store. So if you're paying less than $1 for these items, just know that you can sell them for about $3, $4, $5, $6 and make some profit. Okay, and there's also 3,000 units in here. So you can do bundle deals, anything like that. So this is wholesaleninjas.com. But just know that that's kind of how you guys figure out your profit margin. Okay, so we're on another website. This one is called viatrading.com. The whole pallet is $21.50. You're paying $21.50 per unit. You have 100 items on this pallet. So what you're going to do is you're going to look and see what kind of products you're getting, and then you're going to put them in on eBay. So we have the size 4 Superstar Adidas. We go over here, put them in on eBay, make sure we have the sold item setting put on. So we go sold items, and you can see when's the last time the item has sold and how much it sold for. Now, these are original ones, $52.90 or $52.22, $69.99, $18.50. Those are used though. This one right here sold for $44.99. So if you bought it for $21 and you sold it for $44, that's profit in there. It just depends on how much profit you're looking for in each item. So that's basically what we're doing. We're going on one website, looking at items, and then we're gonna go on eBay if we're selling on eBay. So if you're not selling on eBay, you can always check out Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, Poshmark, wherever you're selling your items. That's where you want to check